If you're looking for more lazy ways to make money online, something that people with zero experience or skills can start today, well, you're in for another treat because you know how much I love spoiling you guys and sharing all of the money-making strategies that I discover with you. In this video, I'll be sharing 5 apps that can help you make some extra cash on the side. Take note that while these apps will allow you to make a little bit of extra money, they will not make you rich. Using them will not allow you to quit your 9 to 5, but hey, if you have free time, then I suggest that you do them anyway because they're honestly too easy not to. This is Next Level Finance, the space where we teach you the best ways to make money online. So if financial freedom is something that you want to achieve, or if you just want to become more financially savvy this year, then you've come to the right place because that's exactly what we talk about day in and day out on this channel. With that said, let's go make some money! First on the list, we have an app called Cash Magnet. It's an Android app that pays you for every minute that you are not doing anything. And for this app, not doing anything is really quite literal. So let me explain. After downloading the Cash Magnet app on your phone, you leave it to run, and every time that your phone is not in use is when it actually makes you money. How this works is the app will browse sites, view ads, and click on them. It will also install games and apps automatically on your phone using a bot. And they do this in order to get traffic for advertisers. Doing this allows them to generate revenue, which is the money that they use to pay its users as well. So when your phone is not in use, Cash Magnet is working on your phone, and this allows you to earn points every 5 minutes. The best thing about it is that you only need to accumulate $1 to cash out via PayPal. Some of the tips that I can share with you to make the most money on the Cash Magnet app are: first of all, I suggest that you use more than one device if you have that available. I personally use it on my spare phone and tablet instead of my main one because I do use my phone a lot. I also use a VPN on my tablet to make sure that I get to earn with 2 devices despite them being in the same location. If you're looking for a way to make a little extra on the side, then this is a completely 100% passive way to go about it. On to the second platform for today, and it's called Toluna Influencers. It's quite a popular online survey platform as it was developed by a market research powerhouse, Toluna House, and it has millions of survey members around the world. These members participate in a variety of market research opportunities and influence some of the biggest brands worldwide. Creating an account here is simple and straightforward. After answering a series of questions, you should be able to start earning points on their platform and receive a sign-up bonus. On their dashboard, you'll be able to access all of the available surveys, and you can select which ones you want to answer based on length or maybe topic. Toluna also offers more than just one way to earn money, and while answering surveys is definitely its main feature, you can also make some extra cash by joining their sweepstakes, their mini online polls, completing your online profile, and referring friends. One thing that you would want to take note of is that the points that you acquire will also expire if you don't redeem them within 16 months. And while that's a pretty long time, people do tend to forget these things, so I recommend cashing out as soon as you can. Just a quick reminder to those of you who aren't already subscribed to please not forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bells below because it's super simple to do and it also really helps us with the YouTube algorithm. Third on the list is Surveys on the Go. It's a market research company that offers you a chance to take surveys and earn some money in return. It's a more or less typical survey site, except that it focuses on mobile surveys, hence its name. Their clients include Fortune 500 companies and the entertainment industry, among others, and they will pay you for sharing your You can cash out via PayPal, Visa Prepaid, or also a selection of gift cards from popular retailers like Amazon and Starbucks. If you're always out and about, you enjoy shopping, then this fourth app is perfect for you. It's called Observa, and it's an app that pays local shoppers to mystery shop for the purpose of market research. It's available on both iOS and Android phones worldwide, but most tasks are concentrated in the US and Canada. To get started, you would simply need to download and install the Observa app on a compatible phone to register, which is super easy because it requires only a valid email address. You'll also need a PayPal account because that's where payouts are made. Each task here takes an average of 10 minutes to complete, with payouts ranging between $7.50 to $12 depending on the requirement. And one great thing about this app is that once your submission is validated, your payment is issued right away. Oh, and did I mention that if your task involves a restaurant, then your meal is free too? Moving on to the fifth and final app, we have Easyshift. And it's a platform that connects you with work at stores near you, similar to that of many on-demand working apps such as Field Agent. So all you need to do is sign up, allow location service, verify your email address and mobile number, and input the email address associated with your PayPal account to get started. Each gig takes around 30 minutes to complete and pays an average of $5 to $10 depending again on the requirement. And not only can you earn cash for completion, but you can earn points as well. The app is also really simple to use, and as long as you can follow directions, then you can definitely make a few extra bucks on the side with it. To use the app, simply open the map on your app and search for any jobs of interest. When you find one that you like, click on it to reserve, complete the task, and watch the money come in. So what did you think about today's list? I did try to give you a variety of different types of apps so that no matter your interest or the available time that you have, you can find something that works for you so you can earn some extra cash on. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell below because we do post multiple times a week now and you don't want to miss out on a single one of our videos. Speaking of which, we have a ton of them out already, and I'll leave links to some of the ones I think you'll enjoy in the description box or comment section below, so don't forget to check those out. Alrighty then, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again very soon.